Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P1549-00 is designated as charging system high voltage for the Honda CR-V model year 2023 and newer. This Diagnostic Trouble Code indicates that the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an abnormal voltage output from the alternator, signifying that it exceeds specified limits. In modern vehicles, the alternator's primary role is to generate electrical power to charge the battery and power various electrical systems while the engine is running. A high voltage condition can lead to serious electrical problems, risking damage to the vehicle's electrical system and components. It's crucial to address this issue promptly, as it can affect the performance and reliability of the vehicle. Understanding the implications of this DTC is essential for technicians and vehicle owners alike. In this context, a high alternator voltage signifies that the alternator is producing electrical output that surpasses designated parameters defined by the manufacturer. The powertrain control module, PCM, plays a critical role in monitoring voltage levels and assessing whether they fall within the acceptable range. The alternator, typically located near the engine in the engine compartment, is responsible for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. When the output exceeds normal levels, the PCM detects this anomaly and records the corresponding DTC. This may happen, for instance, if the alternator is malfunctioning or if there is significant resistance in the charging circuit. Failure to address this DTC can lead to additional issues, including overheating and damage to electrical components. The potential causes for DTC P1549-00 can stem from several sources. One primary suspect is a faulty alternator, which may not properly regulate voltage output. Poor electrical connections within the charging system can also create resistance, resulting in abnormal voltage readings. Another noteworthy factor is the presence of a high-voltage battery connected to the vehicle, altering expected performance. Each of these potential causes necessitates careful investigation to pinpoint the fault accurately. Understanding the interplay of these components is vital in diagnosing and resolving this issue effectively. Technicians must ensure that the entire charging system is evaluated, as neglecting any part can prolong the troubleshooting process. While troubleshooting DTC P1549-00, several symptoms may become evident. A common indicator is the activation of the battery warning light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to an electrical issue. Additionally, drivers may experience electrical system failures, such as lights flickering or accessories not operating correctly. Unusual engine behavior might also occur, including stalling or poor performance attributed to irregular power supply. These symptoms collectively point to an underlying problem within the charging system, which must be addressed promptly. Being vigilant about these signs can help prevent further complications and ensure that the vehicle remains reliable and safe to operate. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC P1549-00 involves starting the engine of the vehicle. Once the engine is running, it's important to check the electrical load on the vehicle. In particular, ensure that unnecessary load-generating accessories are turned off. The air conditioning system, headlights, and rear window defogger should all be switched off during this assessment. This will help isolate the alternator's performance without interference from additional electrical demands. This crucial first step allows you to obtain a clearer reading on the alternator's voltage output under minimal load conditions, making it easier to diagnose any underlying issues effectively. The second step in troubleshooting DTC P1549-00 requires holding the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM. This should be done under no load conditions, ensuring that the vehicle is either in park, P, or neutral. Maintaining this RPM for 1 minute allows technicians to observe the voltage output from the alternator accurately. It's critical to monitor the voltage readings during this period to determine if they are indeed higher than the specified value set by the manufacturer. If the voltage remains excessive, it confirms the presence of a fault within the alternator or its circuit. This step is essential for a comprehensive assessment of the alternator's functionality and helps in directing further repairs effectively. After completing repairs related to DTC P1549-00, it's essential to conduct a final verification process. Begin by clearing any Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This resets the system and allows the vehicle to run under normal conditions. Subsequently, test driving the vehicle will help ensure that the previously indicated issues have been resolved. During this drive, pay attention to any returning symptoms or warning lights. If the charging system operates within the normal range without setting off new codes, the repair can be deemed successful. Proper verification is crucial to prevent any lingering issues that could affect vehicle reliability. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P1549-00, implementing proactive preventive maintenance is key. Regularly inspecting the alternator should be part of routine vehicle maintenance to ensure it is functioning properly. Technicians should also look for any signs of wear or damage during these inspections. In addition, electrical connections should be examined for corrosion or loose fittings, which may lead to poor system performance. Keeping the battery in good condition and ensuring that it is compatible with the vehicle's electrical demands can also mitigate issues. Preventive measures are essential in maintaining the long-term reliability and safety of the vehicle. In conclusion, understanding DTC P1549-00 or charging system high voltage is vital for Honda CR-V 2023 Plus owners and technicians. This code signifies potential issues with the vehicle's charging system, particularly with the alternator, emphasizing the importance of timely diagnosis and repair. Recognizing symptoms such as the battery light activation and electrical performance issues can aid early identification of problems, preventing more severe complications down the line. Proper troubleshooting steps, including engine tests and electrical load evaluations, are crucial for decisive solutions. Moreover, adhering to preventive maintenance guidelines helps ensure ongoing reliability of the vehicle's electrical system. Ultimately, being proactive leads to safer, more dependable vehicle operation. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.